Hello everybody, this is KingTut here, and welcome to another C++ file tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys file variable. And in this tutorial, I'm not going to be doing outputs because all I'm doing is just all I'm doing is just only just declaring these variables, just declaring file variables. So I've been talking about file variable a lot. So what is it? So the file variable is a different kind of variable that just deals with files. So it's whether like input and output of the file. So whether you want to output the data into a certain file, like a text file, or you want to you want to take the file that is in the certain directory, let's say example.txt, and you want to extract the data from it. So that's pretty much what file variable is. There are three kinds of file variables. The two are basically the ver are the obvious. So one of the two is basically the file variable that actually outputs the data to the file, and the other variable is basically extracts the data from that certain file. So the off stream, which basically is short for output file stream, basically is a variable that allows the programmer, that allows you to write whatever data that is in the program into that variable and into that text, which eventually gets written to that text. If stream is basically finding the file in certain directory or in this directory and extracting all the data and putting it into this program. It's very useful when it comes to tile mapping. So if you basically did some tile map, which I'm going to be showing you how to do it in the Allegro 5 tutorial. So you basically put some data in the text, and it basically you use this one, you use the if stream, which is short for input file stream. Take that, and then you just write a bunch of codes to extract the data from that tile mapping text file, and then basically you play around. You put certain tiles, certain images corresponding to certain numbers to it. And if you're and so these are the two main variables. The third kind does either way, either or. So that's the F stream, which is the file stream. If you're lazy and you don't want to make use of any of these, this is the way you could use this one. I don't think. I mean, use it at your own discretion if you, but uh, but you gotta be careful when you use this because it might be prone to bugs. The program can misinterpret this as an input when you actually wanted to make it as an output, so on and so forth. But I don't think it's gonna be much of a problem, but just it's something to keep in mind. If you have a variable or something that does multiple things, multiple functionality, you gotta be careful with it. You gotta be like a bit skeptical on it. So how do you declare it? So all you need to do here, so if you want to use either of these variables, I'm going to be showing you how to declare either of these variable. You just basically put, so for if you want to output file, offstream file, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Or don't, if you want to extract a file, if you want to use ifstream, you use ifstream. Yeah, right there. And then if you want to use fstream, you want to do it either or, you want to use it for both purposes. Basically, just use fstream. And that's pretty much it. Let's compile it. And I'm pretty sure we're not going to get any errors. And honestly, if I'm not going to run this program, it's not going to get you anything because we haven't really output anything or input anything or extract any files and output it to the console. So that's pretty much it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.